Hello student, how are you all? I am Ruby Lionel, your teacher. Today our topic is three-letter word. A-T, A-N, E-N, A-P. These are two-letter words which we have studied in the previous class. Now today from these two letters word we will form three-letter words. Let's see how. When two-letter words A-T, A-N, E-N, A-P words are combined or joined with another letter, they form three-letter word. Let's have a look at example. When we add a letter in the beginning of two-letter word A-T, C plus A-T, it forms a three-letter word C-A-T, cat, 1, 2, 3. When at the beginning of A-N we add F, it forms F-A-N, fan. Yes, F-A-N, fan. Student, at the start of E-N, you add the letter P. It forms a word P-E-N, pen. When if we add C with AP, it will forms a word C-A-P, cap. Yes, C-A-P, cap. Now from each two-letter word we will learn to form 4 three-letter words today. Are you all ready? Okay, then let's start. First we have A-T. Now we will form and learn three-letter word with A-T. When we'll add a third letter in the beginning of A-T, okay? When we add B with A-T, it forms bat. B-A-T, bat. When we add R with A-T, it forms rat. R-A-T, rat. When we add F with A-T, it forms fat. F-A-T, fat. When H is joined with A-T, it forms hat. H-A-T, hat. When M is joined with A-T, it forms mat. M-A-T, mat. Now I want you to repeat after me these three-letter words one by one. B-A-T bat, R-A-T rat, F-A-T fat, H-A-T hat, M-A-T mat. Very good. Now we will make AN words, where we are going to join the third letter. Yes, you all are very intelligent. We will join the third letter at the beginning of AN. When we join C with AN, it forms can. C-A-N, can. When we join R with AN, it forms ran. R-A-N, ran. Yes. Now we add M with AN, it forms man. M-A-N, man. P with AN, it forms pan. P-A-N, pan. By joining V with AN, it forms van. V-A-N, van. Now we will read these three-letter words. Okay? C-A-N, can. R-A-N, ran. M-A-N, man. P-A-N, pan. V-A-N, van. Yes, see how interesting it is. EN words. Yes, student, now we will learn to form three-letter words from EN words. When T is joined with EN, it forms ten. T-E-N, ten. When D is joined with EN, it forms den. D-E-N, den. When H is joined with EN, it forms hen. H-E-N, hen. When M is joined with EN, it forms men. M-E-N, men. When P is joined with EN, it forms pen. P-E-N, pen. Now repeat after me. T-E-N, ten. D-E-N, den. H-E-N, hen. M-E-N, men. P-E-N, pen. Now, what we have here? Yes, AP words. And we will make three-letter words from AP. When C is added with AP, it forms cap. C-A-P, cap. When we join G with AP, it forms gap. GAP, gap. When we join M with AP, it forms map. MAP, map. When we join N with AP, it forms nap. NAP, nap. And when L is written at the beginning of AP, it forms lab. LAP, lab. Now we will read these three letters. Words, yes. CAP, cap. GAP, gap. MAP, map. NAP, nap. LAP, lab. Now, coming to your homework, you have to write 5 80 words. Five AN words, 5 EN words, and 5 AP words in your copy like this. I hope you all understood 3-letter words easily. Now here is your activity. Do it by the help of your parents. This first activity is of 80 words. First, look at the picture given at the left hand side. This is a fat boy. FAT, fat. Now, according to the picture, you have to form the word by choosing the correct letter given below. Activity number 2 is AN words. So, in the same way, we are going to complete the words by looking the given picture and select the correct letter. Then you may color the picture. Activity number 3 is EN words. In this activity, you have to form the words yourself by looking at the given picture. Example, the first picture is hen. So, by adding the letter H, we form word hen. HEN, hen. So, complete the activity and color the picture. Now the last activity is AP words. In this activity, first read the words and then match them with the correct picture. Okay, kids, I have already matched the first word to the picture. So, in the same way, you are going to complete the activity and color the picture. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.